permanent secretaries, and the good people of Rivers State, other journalists and pressmen here. I greet you this afternoon, but first of all, I apologize for keeping people waiting because of so many matters on my table. But by the grace of God, we will not waste much time here. And the purpose of this gathering, this press briefing, is to intimate you that another batch of commissioning of people-oriented projects by His Excellency Sir Fubara, GSSROS, Governor of Rivers State, is about to commence. That's why I've gathered the people, just to inform you, and so that people can get prepared. And, you know, today is Friday, so that I can reschedule your timetable so that I can accommodate us. Because these commissioning activities will run from Monday, August 17, 2026, through Monday 31st, 2026. Actually, the following projects will be commissioned. We have about 10 projects. We have more, but these ones are the ones the assessors are choosing to showcase for now. On Monday, August 7th, that is this Monday that is coming, Monday, August 17, 2026, we'll be going to Buguma, Degema, Abonima Road, Asareto Road, Dega, Akoto local government. Then on Tuesday, which is 18th, 2026, we'll be going to Ekpi Afara, Umba Road, Eshe local government. Then on Wednesday, we'll be going to Captain Elisha Amadi Polytechnic. Actually, we have two projects there, but we decided to do it one day at Romalobiako. Then on Thursday, that is day 4, we'll be going to Iroele, Egweda, Omo-Okodua Carriageway. That is Ikwere, Emwa, Onega. Then on Friday, we'll be commissioning the new zonal hospital, Omoko, at Omoko there. Then Friday and Saturday are free so that you people can rest. Then you come again on Monday. You know, that is the 6th. All my daily internal rows. We have 11 rows there to showcase. That is Ikwere local government. Then on the 7th day, we have Air Force base runway. That one is in Port Harcourt here, the Air Force base. Then on Wednesday, which is the 8th, 26th of August, we have Agba in Delhi Road and Bridge. That is Delhi, Emoa local government. Then on the 9th day, 27th of August, we have new Neuro Psychiatric Hospital and new General Hospital. You know, there are two projects there. Excellency decided to do it the same day. If not, each one is enough to take 2 days. You know, that's the health, the man is here. You know, I want to inform you that, but let me run down through. Then the 10th day, which is 28th of August, we are going to Bonny, where we'll commission, essentially we'll commission Bonny National Grammar School. Actually, it's 2 weeks, 2 full weeks. So we'll stop here on the 31st now. It's free. So that we'll give you a weekend to go and rest. So, but I want to assure you that we are not just commissioning roads, we are commissioning schools, we are commissioning hospitals, we are commissioning roads, we are commissioning bridges, and even the runway, you know. So, and we have so many other projects that will soon come up. They are also ready, but for this period, we want to use August. So God will bless you. As you make our time, I'm pleading with Rivers people that we have to make our time and come out and see things for themselves. Actually, these projects scheduled for commissioning are tangible evidence of His Excellency's unwavering dedication to transform our communities and address the emotional needs of our people. They underscore the administration's determination to ensure that governance translates into meaningful and measurable benefits for every citizen across the 23 local government areas. As we prepare for these historic events, we acknowledge the dedication and contributions of government officials, contractors, host communities, and other stakeholders which collective efforts have made this achievement possible. We invite all Rivers people to join in celebrating these milestones and to continue supporting the administration of Governor Fubara as it advances peace, development, progress, and prosperity. Together, we will continue to build a river state where development reaches every community and every citizen has the opportunity may strive. Before I conclude, if your local government is not mentioned now, you can see we moved to almost all the local government. To go to Bonny is not a child's play, is it not? So if your local government is not mentioned now, be rest assured that this year we will visit you. God bless you. Which time will you clap for Jesus?